good? Awesome. So today we're going to be going into our lesson. It's going to be, what is an element? Or is it an element? So the first thing we're going to do is go over our lab procedures. So we're going to follow instructions. We're going to wait to be instructed when using lab equipment. Make sure your table is clean. No horseplay. No off-task behavior. And we will be collaborating with our groups. So, safety. Handle all lab models carefully. Do not taste any of the Play-Doh. I'll be able to tell because it'll be stuck in your teeth. In science, we do not put lab materials in our mouths. Alright, so we're going to go over the jobs. We have materials manager, and we have the primary investigator. Material manager is going to pick up the materials, check inventory for missing and broken equipment, perform investigations, return all materials to the pickup stations. The primary investigators will read the directions, ask the teacher for information, lead group discussions, keeps the time, make sure everyone stays involved. We have the recorder, records data, certifies and records all results, and the maintenance director. Directs cleanup, disposes of all used consumables, disposes of clean material, responsible for group safety. So, you guys are about to be put in your groups. So we have Team Com and Team Pound. So we're going to have Alex, David, Elise, and Jennifer. Alexis, sorry. Not bad. Kristen, Taylor, Austin, and Monique. And all your jobs are listed right up here. So if you guys can go ahead and get into your groups. Is all the maintenance managers, if you guys can go and collect your trays, they're going to be back there in the pickup station. So I hope everyone remembers their job. So everyone wants to pass out your tents. Put the jobs back on the board for you. Does everyone have their jobs?
Yes.
Does everyone have their jobs?
Yes.
So, primary investigator will read the directions, encourage the group participation, recorder must record data for their groups, maintenance director cleans up and puts away trays. Pretty much the same thing. So we're going to go right into our Explorer. If you guys open your folders, call it your exploration guide. I also want you to pull out your exploration chart. It'll look like this. And your group is going to share that. So what I want you guys to do first is watch me real quick. I'm going to demo what I want you guys to do with your Play-Doh. Right. So on your exploration chart, see that little circle that you have there on there? It's all black, kind of in your upper right-hand corner. You're going to make a Play-Doh ball about that size, so it's going to be about this. And you're going to use those to build, or you're going to use the Play-Doh models to build your new structures. So, with your group, construct the elemental units by rolling the corresponding colors of Play-Doh into small balls on your exploration chart. So if you just look on your exploration guide, you'll see that the Play-Dohs match to corresponding colors, and I want you guys to make balls out of them. So while you guys are doing that, I'm gonna go over some more instructions, so I just want you to listen to keep doing what you're doing. And remember, try to make them the size of the black dot that you have on your exploration chart. So, what you guys are gonna be doing with these Play-Doh balls, you're gonna be constructing those structures that are listed inside each of those squares on your exploration chart. I want you guys to make sure, whenever you're building these structures, that the balls are touching, you're not smashing them together. So you're not taking red Play-Doh and yellow Play-Doh and mixing them. You're just making sure they're touching. So, complete the table on your exploration guide, determining the number of colors used and the elements. Is it an element or is it not an element? You will have 10 minutes to complete your exploration chart. And time starts now.
I'm just making them sweet. I am a materials manager here, thank you. We can do this how we want to do it. Alright, so H.
So we'll have to go 2 more inches.
Another.
So, yeah.
As you guys are going along, don't forget to fill out your chart. Or fill out your exploration guide.
Number of colors.
My exploration.
And remember, we want them touching.
Oh.
Going a lot faster than I think we did. So they're going a lot faster
I
than we
know.
did. Now, take all the time you need. It's okay if you finish fast. Okay.
I think it's a compliment. I think. No, it's just
Misconception, are we talking about?
Yeah.
Don't forget to talk to your groups.
I'm supposed to be recording all day. I guess we all are.
Pattern I observed is that if they only had two colors instead of all colors, or these all like one color is an element or something. Oh, it has two. So it's interesting.
No,
It says
it's
element
from,
in front of
it's from past classes.
We just don't know what to call
So I'm going to go ahead and assume you guys might create P class because you all seem done, or close to done. So we're going to use the next remaining about 10 seconds. You guys should be finished. And it looks like everyone's done. So, what you guys should have, I want you guys to look at your corresponding groups and just look over each other's shoulders. Did you guys look like you have the same structures built? Relatively the same all the way around?
Yep.
Even your formations are pretty much the same too. Alright. So, it should look sort of like this, or exactly like this, or it can be, you can have yellow, blue, blue. It's alright. Alright, so we're gonna talk about the patterns. So how many colors did you observe when creating structures representing an element? Weak. One. Do you want to elaborate on that?
So like, for example, whenever we looked at NA, we just saw one pink circle.
So one pink circle. So one color is one element. What did you guys get for, anybody have any discussion on the oxygen?
Yes, I was confused about when there are two of the same color. Maybe it's not pure if there are two of the same, because there was more than one.
So if it's the same color and it's the same element, and a pure substance is an element. So if you can have the element that you're minerally is just one unit, but it's still the same element. So if you put two of those together, they still a pure element. They're only made up of one thing. Does that answer your question?
Yes.
Does that answer everyone's question? I heard some discussion on that one.